Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I was sick last week and I've not had the most productive few weeks, but I want to make this week more useful, so I'm going to be heading off to the library just now, but not the same old library. I'm going to be going to a cooler, more interesting one, which is the Mon Library in the Strand campus of Kings. It's this really cool, nice library. I've never been there before, so this is my first time going. Yeah, let's go. So I have a bunch of stuff I need to get done today. I have a few lectures and then I have this essay that I need to start with as well. So what I'm doing nowadays is that in terms of reviewing my lectures and all the content I have for exams this year, I'm doing it all in terms of active recall. So Anki, flashcards, past paper questions, or I'm drawing diagrams and mind maps and trying to make connections in my mind to sort of remember the information in front of me. After studying for a bit, I took a quick break to promote my newest video on med school rankings, and if you haven't already, be sure to follow me on Instagram at ShivanBelmed. So the morning's main focus was reviewing some endocrinology lectures from my human development blog and making flashcards for it. I also highly recommend listening to this playlist while studying. It's super calming, and also don't grill me for using Amazon Music. So I had lunch down in the cafe and I packed food, which I almost never do. I always just get a meal deal. And then I began my second study session of the day in a much more boring spot, just doing some preliminary research for the essay I was meant to write, and just doing a little bit of prep for that. Guys, so I'm back from the library now, and we had a productive day. I got quite a bit done, and in the library the environment is such you can't get up and do other stuff, so you're kind of forced to work, which is nice, but at some point it gets a lot. But now we're gonna go to the gym, because that's another part of my life that was affected over the past few weeks, being sick and stuff, and obviously you can't go to the gym. And it's just an important part of my day. Add some routine to it. So let's go. So it's push day today at the gym. That means chest, shoulders and triceps. And I like starting with the incline bench press because it's a nice compound movement. And I like to finish off with some isolation movements like this triceps exercise. After the gym, I like to take a really hot shower because it improves the blood flow to my muscles for recovery. And then I put argan oil in my hair to reduce hair fall. And then I also put this moisturizer, which made my face really red for some reason. After that, I got ready to make dinner, and cooking is actually one of my favorite parts of the day. I find it to be really therapeutic and I enjoy it. I just see it as like creativity and like making something interesting or something cool or something that tastes good. So I had pasta with turkey meatballs because those are healthier, and I had it in a red pesto sauce and it turned out pretty good. And then while eating dinner, I started season 4 of Drive to Survive on Netflix, and I ended up finishing that in just a couple of days. Finally, before sleeping, I got to doing just a few past med questions. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching. And if you made it to the end, you might as well subscribe. Drop a like on this video. Share it with your friends. Leave any comments you want down below. And yeah, I will see you in the next one.